Hello students, today we will read page number 89. In mountainous region may cause rocks to break and slide down. When a large amount of earth and rock fall from high mountains towards a lower valley, it is called a landslide. Houses are destroyed and people and cattle are buried alive under the debris of broken houses. Rocks and bricks, earthquakes crack and burst dams resulting in floods. Railway lines break, roads are damaged and houses collapse, causing widespread death and destruction. In India, however, some people have started following guidelines on using earthquake proof technology while constructing buildings. Tsunamis. A tsunami is caused by an underwater earthquake or volcanic eruption. It causes a series of ocean waves that can reach up to the height of 100 feet, and it occurs along the coastal areas. Generally, the first wave of a tsunami is not that strong, but the successive waves get bigger and stronger. Tsunamis cause devastating loss of life and property. In 2004, the Indian Ocean tsunami affected 11 countries and killed more than 2 lakh people. Dealing with natural disasters. Most of the times, natural calamities do not occur overnight, and nature has its way to forewarn us. Since we cannot stop natural disasters, government agencies keep a watch for warning signs. They then issue warnings well in time to evacuate the areas likely to be affected. Timely warnings and quick action can save many lives. People living in the areas prone to natural disasters must always have a safety or emergency kit ready. The kit must have dry food that does not spoil easily, drinking water, basic medicines, dry blankets, some money, and torches. In disaster struck areas, the government usually converts a certain centrally located public building, such as a school or an office, into a safety shelter. People should be aware of the shelter and start gathering there as soon as a warning is issued. All government agencies of that particular locality, like the hospital service, fire brigades, ambulance, police, and armed forces, are on alert. They are usually the first to help in case of a calamity. The government and many national and international non-governmental organizations (NGOs) provide relief and support to the people affected by. So it was the page number 89. All of you see the video and do the practice of it. Thank you.